Today I was asked in a comment by Shri's story about how to create a door that can be opened and closed. I have created a complete tutorial about how to make the door that can open and close like this. So let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will use a picture of a real home with a door in it. To import an image, I will click on the components. Click this house image. It will be imported in your scene. Resize the home image to fit exactly into the scene. Now create a rectangle and resize it to the size of the door. Now right click the rectangle. Click Combine Shapes and then click Cut. As you can see, the door is cut and separated from the rest of the house. Now we can move it. To glue the house to the background, use the Fix It tool and click the image of the house. It will be stuck to the background. Now create a long rectangular bar and place it below the door. Now create another bar and place it on the left side of the door. Copy this bar and place it to the right of the door. Leave enough space for the door to move there. Use the Fix It tool and fix the three bars to the background. Right-click the house image. Go to Collision Layers, uncheck Collision A and check the Collision Layer B. Now create a button using the Circle tool. Fix it to the background so that it may not fall. To remove the cake shape from the circle, uncheck the Draw Circle Cake. Now open the console menu using the tilde button of the keyboard. Now create two variables x and y with values set to 0. Type x equals 0 and press enter. Then type y equals 0 and hit enter. Now right click this bar. Go to script menu. In the update section, type attraction equals x and press enter. Now right click this bar. Go to script menu. And type attraction equals y in the update parameter. Now press enter. Now go to the script menu of the button and type this code exactly like shown in the on-click parameter. Now go to the script menu of the door and make the friction 0 to remove the friction so that the door moves smoothly. Make the friction to 0 of the bar below the door. Right-click this bar and go to the selection and click Move Selected to Back. Repeat the same steps with all the bars. Now do the same for door 2. You do it twice here to take the door back of the main image. Now press the button. You can see the door opens and closes when we press the button. Tick this cross symbol to the back. To make it look like a real house, I will import another image in which someone is sitting on the bed inside the house. Create a rectangle of the size of the door of the newly imported image. Cut it. Now delete the rest of the image and take inside image and put it exactly over this door place. Now go to the collision layers. Uncheck collision layer A and check collision layer B. Resize it to perfectly match it. Now fix it to the back. Move it to the back. Now use the button to open and close the door. I hope you like this tutorial. Kindly subscribe the channel, like the video and share with your colleagues. If you have a suggestion or appreciation, kindly comment on the video. Thanks and bye.